The only thing stopping you from your goals is you. Good morning, or good afternoon. We're back to it. Back to another day, back to another lift. I'm super excited to get this one going. I haven't made a YouTube video in the gym by myself in a while. The last leg day that I made was, I can't even remember, it was a long time ago. So I wear these same white shorts every single leg day. They make my legs look bigger than they actually are because my legs aren't that big. So ever since I started going to the compound, I don't really put too much thought into my shirts anymore, but I think I will wear like a hoodie or something so I can kind of break a sweat during my leg day. I already ate my food, so this is just gonna be a pure gym vlog. I'm gonna vlog on the way there, I'm gonna vlog in the car, and kind of talk about some New Year's resolution goals that I've had for myself. I know New Year's isn't coming up that fast, but I mean, December is gonna fly by because Christmas month always flies by, and then New Year's is gonna be right there around the corner. So I mean, it's like we're getting to that point, and I had some things that I wanted to talk about, especially with New Year's and the new year coming up, and goals that I have for myself. Making my goals for this new year, you need to be able to set goals that are gonna be attainable and that you can reach sooner. Maybe like going to the gym 4 times a week every week, you know, and starting the first week, if that's something that you know you're gonna want to do for the New Year's, you know, get into the gym, get into fitness, get into health, improve your diet. Make goals that are obtainable and make goals that aren't unrealistic. You have to make your goal realistic so you can achieve that goal. I gotta start thinking about my New Year's resolutions. I think this year I'm really going to focus on making obtainable goals that I can look back on and make sure that I'm still making progress when the new year hits. And I'm really going to take 2026 more serious because this is the year where I'm really going to hone down on those little things, stay consistent, and make sure that I'm making consistent progress, because that's all I care about, is getting better each day, taking advantage of the opportunities that you have, and really executing on them. So 2026 is gonna be that year for me. PR shirt that I got. I opened this in my PR package that I got that I made last video. And so I'm gonna wear this today for my leg day, and then I'm gonna wear a sweatshirt over it. Like that. Let's go, baby. Leg day. And then I also have my my Gymshark PR. You know, I walk into my room, I see the stuff that encourages me. You know, have stuff up in your room that is gonna motivate you and allow you to keep grinding for that goal, and keep grinding for that physique, keep grinding for that mindset. Creatine monohydrate every day. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this leg day. Normally I'm not very excited for leg days, but this one feels a little bit different. And I have a feeling that I'm going to try to max squat and just send it, see how much I can do. Literally the best part about going to the gym is hopping into my car, because I know I can listen to music. So lucky to be able to go to the gym, move our bodies, take advantage of the opportunities that we have daily. The only thing stopping you from your goals is you. And I was thinking more about this from the last video that I recorded. You are genuinely the only person that's putting false narratives into your mind, and I struggle with this personally because I'm the person that's putting limiting beliefs on what I can do, and I feel like over time that will be the factor that holds you back from reaching your true success. And if you can really learn to always have a strong drive and mindset about your future and about the things that you can accomplish, especially coming up to this new year, if you can really dial in those things and prevent yourself from putting negative limiting beliefs on yourself, you could do so much. Like, you could accomplish so much if you really just put your mind to it. You shouldn't rely on anyone but yourself in situations where you want to become successful and you want to improve your mindset and you want to get into the gym and improve your diet. All of those things ultimately fall down to you. and what you are doing and what work you're putting in. It just kind of, the reality sets in and you're just like, damn, it really does fall down to me. What type of effort I'm putting in and what type of work I'm putting in. All of those small goals are exactly what I want to focus on for the new year. Mainly my mindset, my physique, and how I'm going to make money and how I can make a career out of something that I love like this. And it's all gonna take practice, it's gonna take time, and it's gonna take consistency. All of those things are ultimately what is going to make or break your success, is what you are putting in for yourself, the time that you're putting in for yourself, and how much you're dedicating to you. All right, we made it. Get our knees warmed up and ready for this leg day. Big squat day. The goal is to max squat today. So we're gonna make sure that we're warmed up adequately because I really don't wanna get injured, but I also do wanna test my max and just see, like, you know, the ballpark of where we're at, and then we're just gonna hit a leg day right after that. So gonna start with the plate, and then we're just gonna keep going up. Probably go to a plate, 25, another plate, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. All right, 315 felt good. One of my homies just came up to me and said he would spot me, so I'm way more comfortable now. And we're gonna try to go up 1 rep max for squat and see what we can get up to. So this is the day.
Brace, heavy brace, come on.
Oh yeah.
You were crooked. You were about like 2 inches off almost.
Oh really, on this?
Yeah.
At 365 moved pretty good. He told me I was a little bit crooked, but we're gonna adjust that next set. 4 plates. I'm ready, but I'm nervous, but I'm gonna get it up. Guess we're gonna have to wait and see. I'm hyped though, oh my gosh. Yeah, I got you.
Hold it, squat. Up, Ryan, come on.
Woo! Let's go. Thank you. All right, so we got 5 plates on. The leg extension. Trying to get 6 to 8 reps. Good ones. 6 to 8 good ones. Ugh. All right, 5 plates was like pretty good, but I think we could do 1 more. Throw on 6, and then that will be a good set of 6 to 8. We're gonna hit these 6 plates and see how we feel. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh shit. Oh, the machine's fucking leaning. That's not good. I'm currently waiting for the leg press. I did squat already. I did leg extensions. I did as much as I possibly think I could do on the squat, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. Get going into the leg press, because that's like low-key something I'm really excited about, so. Eight plates on. This is 720 pounds. We got 810 pounds on the bar. See how many we can get it for. Is that good?
Come on. Press.
Oh shit.
Come on. Oh shit, it's right. Let's go. Come on. Two more. Come on.
Oh, fuck.
One more. Come on. Let's go. Drive.
Oh, shit. Thank you, bro. All right, it's at 160. Oh, yeah, we were pushing it right there. I gotta take off all these damn plates, bro. 9 plates on each side. Ham tractor. Just finished the leg day. It was really good. I ended up hitting 405 like I wanted to. And then I ended up doing 810 pounds in the leg press. And then I did leg extensions and leg curls. Overall, a really good leg day. I think it turned out very good. Now I get to go home, eat some good food. And overall, it was a great day. I'm happy my homie TJ was there to spot me on the squat, spot me on the leg press. He pushed me really hard, and that's exactly what I needed for this workout. To the gym in the daytime, leaving the gym at nighttime. That's how you know you had a good lift. Meal preps that I'm eating: chicken thighs, pasta. Perfect thing to eat after a hard leg day.